What's that? The tunnel made of blocks? Look! Hero car is here! I have to help the animals. Hey, truck! I need your help. Oh no! The animals are stuck in the cage. Now the truck's here with a rope. Let's pull the cage. Can the truck do it? Superman is here to help the animals. What should the hero do? Oh, it's the military. Oh no! The truck has fired the missile and it's coming for Superman. The superhero fell down.
Help me!
Someone help him. The military is not letting the animals out. Wait, who's that? Another superhero to save us. The hero car is trying to convince the military. The truck is heading towards the military. What do you think will happen next time? Look at the monster truck go! The monster truck is on the bridge now. Do you think it's safe to cross the bridge? Oh no! It looks super shaky. Hey truck, can you help me cross the bridge? I think I should help the car. It's going back to the new car and lifting it up. Look, the monster truck is helping. Isn't that amazing teamwork? Oh no! The evil car is here! The car is about to hit the other two cars. Oh no! Poor monster truck and his friend. Uh-oh! The bridge is breaking! That's what happens when you're kneeling. What do you think will happen now? Oh no! My friends are in danger. It's pulling the monster truck up first, then the little car. And finally, even the evil car. Phew! Everyone's safe again. Now the friends are picking up blocks together. Friends are picking up blocks one by one. We have to build a new bridge. The blocks are here. They're building a brand new bridge, stronger than ever.
Okay, I'll go to the bridge and check it.
Don't go on the bridge, officer. It's weak right now.
Don't worry, I handle it.
Oh no, the bridge is shaking. Now, take a look at part 2.
Officer, wait for me. I'm coming to get your help.
Help me, please.
Whoa, this is too slippery. I think I'm gonna fall.
Help! Help!
Don't worry, I'm on my way. Help is coming. We gotta pull you out of this river. Don't worry, I've already called a trucker to do it.
Okay, thanks. But just pull us out. We're stuck.
Hang on, I'm zooming in to help you.
Five hours later.
We did it. We rescued the cars. But the problem is, the bridge is broken. Let's see. Can the car make a strong bridge to be continued?
Help me, please.
Whoa, this is too slippery. I think I'm gonna fall.
Help! Help!
We did it. We rescued the cars. But the problem is, the bridge is broken. Now take a look at part 3. We need to build a new bridge, but this time, it must be strong.
A super strong bridge, so no one falls in the water.
Let's work together. Teen cars can do anything.
Let's build it.
Dig, dig, dig. I'm scooping up dirt to build a strong bridge.
Hours later.
Yippee, the bridge is ready now. Vroom, let's go.
Beep beep. I have to go first across the new bridge.
Yeah. Now it's my turn. Here I go. Vroom vroom.
Okay, wait for me. My wheels are tickling. Haha.
Teamwork makes us strong, just like our bridge. Hi kids, subscribe for more videos. Bye bye, thank you.